Obsidian versus Roam Research. Which knowledge app is better? Choosing the right knowledge management tool can significantly enhance how you organize and retrieve information without feeling overwhelmed. Let's explore both options. Obsidian and Roam Research are powerful knowledge management tools designed for personal and collaborative use. The core difference lies in their approach. Obsidian focuses on local storage and markdown files, while Roam emphasizes bidirectional linking and a web-based interface. Obsidian is a markdown-based note-taking application that allows users to create a personal knowledge base. It operates on a local file system, meaning your notes are stored on your device, providing complete control over your data. The app enables users to create interconnected notes through backlinks, making it easy to navigate between related concepts. Its strengths include a highly customizable interface, extensive plugin support, and the ability to work offline. However, its learning curve can be steep for new users, and it may lack some collaborative features found in cloud-based tools. Obsidian is ideal for users who value privacy, prefer local storage, and enjoy building complex networks of knowledge. Roam Research is a web-based application designed for networked thought and knowledge management. It features a unique approach to note-taking that encourages users to create connections between ideas through bidirectional links. This allows for a fluid and dynamic way of organizing thoughts. Roam's strengths lie in its ease of use for collaborative projects and its powerful outlining capabilities, which make it suitable for brainstorming and project planning. However, it operates on a subscription model, which may not appeal to everyone, and its reliance on an internet connection can be a limitation. Roam Research is perfect for users who prioritize collaboration, enjoy a more structured approach to note-taking, and appreciate the convenience of cloud storage. When comparing Obsidian and Roam Research, consider how you plan to use the tool. For instance, if you prefer working offline and want complete control over your data, Obsidian is a strong choice. Its robust linking and markdown capabilities allow for deep personal insights. Conversely, if collaboration and ease of use are your priorities, Roam Research excels with its intuitive interface and real-time sharing features. Users might find that Obsidian's customization options cater better to individual workflows, while Roam's structure is advantageous for team-based projects. The decision ultimately hinges on your specific needs, privacy and control versus collaboration and ease of access. For users seeking a powerful, customizable, and offline-first experience, Obsidian is the recommended choice. If collaboration and a seamless online experience are your goals, Roam Research is the way to go. Each tool offers unique benefits, so consider your workflow to make the best choice for your knowledge management needs.